Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to solve CapCut loading effect problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is make sure you're using the latest version of CapCut. If you are in Editor, go to the menu option at top, go to More section, and select Versions. Here, check if there's an available update. If an update is available, install it and restart the app before testing the effects again. Many loading issues are fixed through software updates, so this should always be your first step. Next, check your internet connection. Some CapCut effects and cloud-based resources require a stable internet connection before they can load properly. If your connection is unstable, try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switching to another network if possible. Once your connection is stable, reopen CapCut and see if the effects load correctly. If the problem continues, try clearing the CapCut cache. To clear cache, you have to go to the CapCut homepage. Once here, go to top right and click on Gear icon, then select Settings. Now, click on this delete icon near the cache option AMD. Remove the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the loading issue without deleting your projects. After clearing the cache, restart the application and test the effects again. Another setting worth checking is hardware encoding. Go to Menu tab at the top and select Settings. Here, navigate to the Performance section and locate the option labeled Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Disable this feature, save the changes, and restart CapCut. On some computers, turning off hardware encoding can resolve effect loading problems and improve overall stability. If none of the previous methods work, restart your computer completely. Before doing so, save your current project, close CapCut, restart your device, and then launch the application again. Now, as a final solution, uninstall CapCut from your computer and download the latest version from the official CapCut website. Reinstall the application, sign back into your account if required, and then check whether the effects load normally. A clean installation can replace damaged program files that may be causing the problem. And that's it. So that's basically how you can solve CapCut loading effect problem. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.